Kidukot keseng Kongres jongka asam mentah kesengi kilami dau Paidbhur haki surok ba jongka dong ba Guahati men Pyrshah ke Jingpynduh slot Rahul Gandhi naga shuki MP. Kinong iki kila keno ba BJP kala yurat ya sensyar Paidba hakari ba dawaru ban kela no sendan ya karai. Hakari kejing ya Paidba kinong ilam Ahmad ya jongka seng ki kenthub yu deba brata saikia badu Rubikul Hussein kila syabat no haki pulit. Kinong iki la yoi bikila ra lama jongka Kongres bat perta Pyrshah ya ke sarkar BJP. Haba keren bikila patai khubor udi berata saikia ulong bakani ke jingle joko BJP kalong banburi yaki kam syukur jongka.
So we are protesting, we are in with solidarity with Rahul ji. Rahul ji wanted to speak in the parliament. Now he is being disqualified just so that he cannot expose the illegalities, irregularities of Modi and Adani. That is why his post has been disqualified. We are protesting this in house. The dignity of the house must be restored. Rahul ji must be allowed to speak.
Kajing ya Paidba hakani kanong ba kelas sedang nadu ke MLE hostel campus bala temu bania sedo asam sekretariat hendak pulit kelas sertap haswa ban poi ke minister koloni hajan ke jakayau bar hakani kajing persang ban pensangi ki pulen kaladan kajing penibor hapadeng kini ki ar kenhon.
Rahul Gandhi! Rahul Gandhi zindabad! Rahul Gandhi zindabad! Walaupun kau tak pernah tahu, Rahul Gandhi zindabad! Rahul Gandhi zindabad!
Haba phai pat su menteri rangba kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ulong bakani kamdi ke jingrai joko sarkar BJP Henry ke jingrai penrem ke yang besar.
After a prolonged judicial process of last 5 years, he has been held guilty. The judicial recourse is open to him. He can challenge the verdict in High Court or Supreme Court. That's a different thing. But he should have rendered apology immediately after that speech. Sometime slip of tongue happened. It is even with us slip of tongues happen. But in next 10 minutes or 15 minutes, we issued a statement that sorry, that word has gone out of my mouth unintentionally or it was not intended. The matter would have been closed. But Rahul Gandhi has not apologized, neither withdraw the comments against the community for long 5 years. So that once again goes to prove that comments were not unintentional. The comments were intentional and it was made to abuse the OBC community of the country. So he could have withdrawn that comment. He could have rendered an apology to the community because it is not an apology to any BJP people. That apology could have been rendered to the OBC community immediately after the speech or 24 hours after the speech. But he has not done. He behaved arrogantly. So you have to, the court has to balance the arrogancy of an individual and pride and prestige of the OBC community. So court has to strike the balance. And court has struck the balance in favor of the OBC community vis-a-vis the arrogance of an individual.
Lawan penkermau hang ni Rahul Gandhi wadeu MP napo waina joka jala Kerala ula syarai penrem henin kesengi haka yang bisar Gujarat halur ke nongrem bula keren kentho ya kejat Modi husnem arda kandai.